In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok country using a VPN, so you can see posts, trends, and creators from the region you actually want, instead of being stuck with content based on your current location. The first thing you need to do is force close your TikTok app. Make sure it's completely closed, including in the background, so the app fully refreshes when you open it again. Then, you need a VPN. The VPN I recommend is NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, works on iPhone, Android, and even PC, and it's super easy to use. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN at a great price. After installing NordVPN, open the app and log in. You'll see a map of countries or a list of available servers. Choose the country you want your TikTok feed to show. For example, if you want to see content from the US, connect to a US server. If you want to explore videos from India, connect to an Indian server. Make sure the VPN shows that you're fully connected before opening TikTok again, because your location will be based on this connection. Once connected, open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Content Preferences, and here you'll see an option to refresh your For You feed. Tap Continue, then hit Refresh. This will prompt TikTok to pull new videos based on your VPN location. From here, start liking videos and following creators from the new region. TikTok's algorithm will learn your preferences over time and show you more content from that country, helping you build a personalized feed for the location you've chosen. Now, here's an important tip. If you want a permanent way to have TikTok from another region, the best method is to create a completely new TikTok account while your VPN is connected to that country. This way, your account is registered in the new region from the start, and all the content, trends, and recommendations will naturally come from that country. This method is far more reliable than just trying to refresh your feed on an existing account. And the best part? NordVPN also comes with extra features that make this process safer and more secure. It includes threat protection, which blocks malicious websites, malware, and trackers while you're browsing or using apps. It also has a kill switch, which instantly disconnects your internet if the VPN drops, so your real IP address is never exposed. These features keep your data and activity private while letting you explore TikTok from anywhere in the world. So to sum up, install NordVPN, connect to your desired country, refresh your TikTok feed, and like content from that region. Or even better, create a new TikTok account while connected to the VPN, which ensures you're fully registered in the new country. This is the most reliable way to experience TikTok from any region you want. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start exploring TikTok content from any country today.